we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing French cooking terms in particular, and other French expressions that can be often mispronounced. This means with milk, essentially, as in a coffee with milk, for example, and this is said au lait, lait, L-A-I-T, being French for milk. Au lait, silent T there. Au lait, it'd be fine in English to say it as olé, olé, from French olé. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French expressions and names, cooking terms, names of delicious dishes, brand names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.